So what we have here today is a little toy solenoid engine or motor. I purchased this on eBay a few days ago, and I'm pretty sure it's a manufactured toy, not a homemade one. Probably maybe 30s or 40s, I would guess. It's very cheaply made, but again, it was a toy, and it came mounted on this little box, and nice little dovetailed box, and then this whole unit slid inside another dovetailed box that was included with the auction. Looks like a little pot metal flywheel, a tin base, little brick printed sides, all tin. Very simple engine. Of course, when I got it, it didn't work. A lot of times these, just from age, they don't make good contact through the ground. The ground is provided just through this little, you can see how that touches. That makes momentary contact and energizes the solenoid. There's also a speed control right here, if we can get it in focus, and moving that back and forth moves the contact away from the shaft, and that should change the speed. So after a little work and cleaning up some contact surfaces, we're going to give it a try. I think it was made to run on a 6-volt battery. I wasn't sure of the voltage, so I started out with my little power supply here that'll go from 0 to 24 volts. DC comes in very handy, and although a lot of these only run on a single cell, which would have been a 2-volt number 6 battery back in the day, this one I find takes 6 volts, which is where we're set here. So we're going to give it a little spin, and no luck. And I just had it running, so that's how toy engines are. We'll stop and see what's wrong. So what was wrong was I didn't have the leads connected to the terminals. So that would certainly keep it from running. There we are at 6 volts. I don't know if I can slow it down any. We'll try it. Just no. Doesn't seem like that's going to do anything. So as you can see, it's a little touchy, but for a 80-year-old toy that probably cost $1 in its day, I'd say you can't expect more than that. So overall, I'm quite pleased. Thanks for watching my video.